In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily remove the background of an image and by using Pixlr. Now, what I'll also do is link this down in the description. Now, if you didn't know, Pixlr has lots of great tools. They have the Pixlr Editor, Pixlr Express, Pixlr Design, Remove Background, and Batch Editor. Now, with this Remove Background, this makes it super easy to remove the backgrounds of our images. Now once we're here, all we do is select our photo, we click on there, we open, like so, and look, just like that, the background has been removed. Now what we can do is also fine tune this, and we have a few different options with Draw, Magic, and Lasso. We can restore, we can remove, we can play with the softness as well, and the size of the brush. Now for this, we're just going to click Cancel, and we're going to click Save. We can save from here, or we can save all zip if we have multiple different images. So now if I click there, and if I open this, we can see that background has now been removed. So that's just how easy it is to remove the background of an image using Pixlr. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.